Is this the world's smartest dash cam? Vantrue N5S 360-degree catches everything, even in the dark. You ever feel like your car is a second home, but it's got zero security? One wrong turn, one fender bender, one passenger meltdown, and suddenly you're stuck arguing with insurance reps, cops, or rideshare platforms. You knew you needed a dash cam, but every time you try one, it either overheats, misses half the action, or runs out of space right when it matters most. It's frustrating, overwhelming, and frankly, a waste of your time and peace of mind. If your current dashcam setup has you second-guessing your safety, it's time for a serious upgrade. Deadlines are rough, but dealing with blurry evidence, blank recordings, or missing footage, that's next-level stress. Imagine getting sideswiped only to find your camera missed the rear impact. Or driving Uber when a passenger flips out and your cam didn't catch the cabin audio. You're left feeling helpless, exposed, and totally unprotected. Meanwhile, footage could have saved your rating, your payout, or your sanity. This isn't just about a dash cam. It's about control, security, and peace of mind in a world where stuff happens fast. Your ride deserves better. You deserve better. Enter the Vantrue N5S, aka Nexus 5, the first true 4-channel, 360-degree dashcam beast that puts your whole car under surveillance. We're talking front, rear, interior, and rear cabin coverage all at once. With its Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, crystal clear 2.7K plus 1080p 2 plus 1440p resolution, dual IR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and even 24/7 buffered parking mode, this cam is a freaking fortress. It's got dual GPS, OTA updates, loop recording, and it can handle 1 TB of storage. Plus, it's built on a supercapacitor, not a dinky battery, so it thrives in extreme heat or cold. That weird Vegas sun or New York ice? Not a problem. Don't just take our word for it. Real users are raving, "This thing saved me during a rideshare dispute. It caught everything, even the rear seat drama." Another said, "I drive all day and park in shady areas. This camera gave me peace of mind I didn't know I needed." You get laser-sharp low-light recording, voice commands like take photo or lock video, and an app that actually works fast. One user said it held up all day in 115 degrees Fahrenheit heat while parked. If you want full visual and audio evidence from every angle, in real time or while parked, this is your move. The Vantrue N5S doesn't just protect, it empowers. Ready to roll with full confidence? Don't wait. Stock is moving fast. This isn't some gimmicky cam, it's the real deal, trusted by thousands of rideshare drivers, commuters, and road warriors. If you want unmatched 360-degree protection, buy now, secure yours today, and finally say goodbye to fuzzy footage and blind spots. Act now before it's gone, because once you try it, there's zero chance you'll ever go back. Your car deserves eyes everywhere. You deserve peace of mind. Let's go.